Do you love learning new letters? We do too. And today's letter is very special. Can you see today's magical letter? That's right. Today's magical letter is the letter U. U is for words like up and umbrella. We'll learn all about it today. But first, let's start with our hello song. Let's learn together, come and see. With Miss P's and fun you'll see. We'll count, we'll sing, we'll dance, we'll play. Let's have some fun today. Great job, friends. Don't forget to keep your eye out and count how many times our cheeky little Milo Mouse appears in the show today, friends. Are you ready to explore and learn all about the letter U? You are? That's great! Can you say the letter U together with us? Ready, friends? U. U makes the sound. Can you say the letter U sound with us, friends? Ready? Well done, friends. Friends, did you know the letter U makes another sound too? Which is U for unicorn, which makes the letter U special. We will learn more about that another day. This is the capital or uppercase letter U. And this is the lowercase or little letter u. Are you ready to explore the letter U? U is such a useful letter, friends. Oh, did you hear that, friends? It's Mystery Box. Say hello to Mystery Box. Hello, Mystery Box. Let's look at the first letter U mystery item in the Mystery Box today. Ready? Clue 1. I open and close with a big whoosh. Clue 2. You use me when raindrops fall from the sky. Clue 3. I keep you dry even in a storm. What do you think it is, friends? Yes, that's right. It's an umbrella. Say the word umbrella together with us. Ready? Umbrella. Umbrella. Are you ready for the next mystery box item? Ready? Clue 1. I have 4 legs and gallop like a horse. Clue 2. I'm magical and love rainbows. Clue 3. I have 1 shiny horn on my head. Do you know what it is, friends? Yes, that's right. It's a unicorn. Unicorn says the U sound, Miss P1. Can you say the word unicorn together with us, friends? Ready? Unicorn. Unicorn. Great job, friends. Don't forget, friends, unicorn starts with the letter U too, but it makes a different sound. You did great, friends. Give yourselves a big thumbs up. It's time to say goodbye to Mystery Box now, friends. Bye, Mystery Box. Bye. It's time to head to the music room and get our bodies moving. Let's go, friends. Welcome to the music room where we're ready to move our bodies. Listen along to the music and follow along with us, friends. Are you ready? Let's dance! Are you ready to move with our first little U word, friends? You are? Let's dance! Let's go. Move like an umbrella going up. Ready, friends? Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Up, up. Up, up, up. Great Now we're going down like the raindrops, remember? Under, under, down, 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 up, under, down, down, up, under, down, 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 up. One more, under, down, down, down. Great job! And now our unicorn gallop. Ready? Great galloping, friends! Let's finish off with a step together, step clap. Ready? Step together, step clap. Step together, step clap. Step together, step clap. Step clap. Yay! That was so much fun. You all did great, friends. Let's head back to the playroom for some more learning fun. Welcome back to the playroom, friends. It's time for some speech talk. Our first word today is uncle. Say the word together with us. Ready, friends? Uncle. Uncle. Great job, everyone. Our next word is underwear. Can you say the word underwear together with us, friends? Ready? Underwear. Underwear. Great job, everyone. Our next word is up. Can you say the word up together with us? Ready? Up. Up. Fantastic, friends. Our last word is under. Can you say the word under together with us? Ready? Under. Under. You did great, friends. These letter U words all make the sound. Are you ready to play a game, friends? You are? That's great! Look around the playroom and see if you can find any of the things that begin with the letter U. Are you ready, friends? Let's go. Did you find the underwear, uncle, and umbrella? What about the arrow showing under and the arrow showing up? And yes, even the unicorn. That's right, unicorn starts with U too. But remember, friends, it sounds a little different. We have had so much fun and learnt so much. Let's sum up all that we have learnt by singing our special Letter U phonics song.
U is for umbrella, twirl it round and round. U is for under, let's crouch down on the ground. U is for up, stretch your arms up high. Letter U is special, reach up to the sky. Umbrella, under, up. We love the letter U. U is for us, learning side by side. U is for underneath, a place where we can hide. U is for uncle, giving hugs so tight. Letter U is helpful, let's shout it with delight. Umbrella, under, up. We love the letter U. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Learning U is such a treat. Twirl, crouch low, stretch up to so many words start with U. Umbrella, under, up. We love the letter U.
Great job, everyone! It's time for us to go now, friends. But before we do, how many times did our cheeky little Milo Mouse pop up in today's show? Yes, that's right, friends. Milo Mouse popped up 3 times today. Let's count to 3 together. Ready, friends? 1, 2, 3. Well done, everyone. We can't wait to see you again next time, right here at Miss P's Playhouse.
And remember, friends,
Smile big, be kind every day. Bye, friends. Wow, friends, what a great time we've had today. Today's show was aligned with the Early Years Learning Outcomes, which you can find in the description below.
if you love learning with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
And click the bell icons so that you never miss a new episode.
We can't wait to learn and play with you again soon.
Remember, smile big, be kind every day. Bye, friends.